now we are going to be working on curved lines with corners, but we will start on the bottom one. And the new key we are going to be using is Alt. Just going to make layers disappear again. I'm working sometimes on the selection arrow, which means I can just click on certain parts, but you don't need to worry about that so much. So now we click back on. If you're not on pen, press P or select the pen. Now we're going to choose our anchor point like this. We're going to hold down Shift key for the first step and drag out the handle to number 2. Right, good. Now, number 3. Click. If we hold down Shift, we'll realize, you will realize that it's pulling both the handles. We're quite satisfied with the first arc. We just want to change the direction of the second arc. So instead of holding down Shift, we are going to change and hold down the Option/Alt key and drag it to number 4. There we go. Release. 5. Alt 6. Release. 7. Alt 8. Release. 9. Escape. Now I just want to show you, if I did it here, so we got the arch. Now we want to change the arc. We want to change the arc to the bottom. So see, when we hold down Alt, it just changes this handle here, which is the direction of the arch. There we go. So we do this again, and we're just changing the one direction. Alt. Again, holding Alt, dragging it down, just changing the one arm. You get the picture. There we go. So this one is just using the Alt key. We did use Shift at the beginning. You could use Alt because there's no other shape here, but we use Shift. But this one just uses Alt. This second one here, we use both Shift and Alt. Select the pen tool again. Number 1, click, holding down Shift, drag the handle to number 2, release. Now we go to 3, Shift, drag out to number 4, click on Alt, release the Shift, and change that second arm to number 5. Release. All right, number 6, Shift, drag, Alt, drag it to number 8, release. You can continue to hold down Shift so that you ensure that the second arm is horizontal, or you can just do it by eye and not hold down Shift. So we click Shift, number 10, Alt. If I release the Shift, I've got a bit more control. If I want to click Shift again, it makes sure that it's in 45 degrees straight or straight line. Yep. Click, Shift, Alt, release. Click, Shift, Alt, release, and escape. That is curved lines with corners. I want you to give this a try.